guys, welcome back to my channel. Ready guys, we're going to the big parking lot and we practice parallel.
About 5 minutes because it'll be pitch black.
Yes, night time now.
Can't parallel at night. Audio power is off.
On only our group has.
Unable to
Watch out for that dog. I don't know if it's on a leash.
Oh my goodness.
That's mommy and daddy.
Doggy.
Mommy, daddy, son, and doggy. Oh, there's another dog there. Oh, there it is. Can you see the cone in your mirror? That's the front of the car. Can you see that thing?
Yeah.
Okay, back the muffler up to the car.
Okay guys, ready.
That's it. Keep going. Keep going.
There?
Stop. Can you see the car?
Yep.
At the back of your car. Okay, now parallel park in.
Yeah.
Turn to the right. All the way. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. That's stop. Stop. Now turn the wheel the other way. The wheel the other way. Stop. Back up. Look out for RJ.
RJ, stop, RJ, huh?
Back up. Keep going. Cut the wheel all the way. Oh, stop.
Okay.
Shit. I have no other choice. Go. Hit it. Relax. Keep going. Keep going in reverse. Don't change nothing.
Oh,
Keep going. Smash bumper the other forward. Okay, now turn the wheel the other way. And make it straight.
RJ, stop there, RJ.
Mommy doesn't know the gears. Get away. Pull up a little bit. And now make the wheel straight.
Nope.
Good stuff. Put it in park before you throw it. You're in now, but you hit the car. You hit the car in front. You have to back up a little more.
Yeah, you made an accident.
You hit that. Bang! Let me bring the car. We'll be here for 5 hours. Let me bring it into position for you.
Turn on the one.
Look in here.
Go far away, RJ. I think you bring your jacket heavy because so cold. You not listen. No, it's not that. I'm cold. Okay, proper now park daddy here. Okay.
Cut the wheel.
Look like
What are you doing?
see, I see that.
You're backing up 1 inch. All the way. Now cut it the other way. Not all the way. Straight. Be straight. No, no. I said not all the way. Go straight a little bit. Now cut it. Yep.
You're gonna have another accident.
You know, adjust it. How far do you do? Now come straight. Straighten the wheel.
I hit a cut.
Okay.
Pick it out and look.
See, RJ?
I don't know. We're afraid to walk. I'm afraid to walk past the car when you're sitting there.
I have a complaint.
Did you shut off the engine?
If you walk out your car without
the road test going. Okay, cut. Okay, cut. No, no, go left. No. Not gonna happen.
I have a complaint.
Okay, I
Daddy.
try again. I turn
I
there,
have a
honey.
complaint.
I gotta drive and put in
No,
position.
me.
Yeah, put it in position right over there.
Daddy,
Yeah.
Put the back right here. Back over.
I have a complaint.
Yep. Yeah. Be.
No one talking to me.
No,
That's
this
it.
is dangerous.
My
Coat
complaint
won't
is
zip her up and freeze.
It's so cold. Try again. Turn around.
Go back.
RJ,
Don't trust mom.
get out there, RJ. Go far away.
You're gonna have to go forward and do a circle and come around.
Yep.
Go do a circle. Cut it too soon. Too soon. I want it to be right here.
Oh, no. That's very sad.
Okay, I turn again. I fell, RJ. Yeah. No.
Turn your lights on. No, you're bright. Turn your bright off. Wipers up. Testing if you know how to do it. In case you get a little sprinkle. We'll go for a 10 o'clock drive time.
What?
Rush hour will be over. It's before lunch.
10 o'clock what?
Road test when we submit an appointment, which is going to still be several months from now. They have for sale signs.